Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, in this creative question, the temperature of the copper wire is increased by 150 degree Celsius. A copper wire diameter 10 millimeter এবং length 100 centimeter. এখানে দেয়া আছে gamma equal to 50.1 into 10 to the power of minus 6 Kelvin inverse. S equal to 400 joule per kg Kelvin. Rho equal to 8960 kg per meter cube. Now question A, determine the required amount of heat applied to the copper wire. Question B, will the copper wire be made of penetrate after applying heat through a ring of diameter 10.06 millimeter? Explain mathematically. Now solution of A. Here length of copper wire L equal to 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Diameter D equal to 10 millimeter. The radius R equal to 5 millimeter equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Specific heat S equal to 400 joule per kg Kelvin. Density rho equal to 8960 kg per meter cube. Increase in temperature del theta equal to 150 degree Celsius equal to 150 Kelvin. We know rho equal to m by b or m equal to rho b equal to rho into pi r square L equal to 8960 into 3.1416 into 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square into 1 equal to 0.7037 kg. Now required heat Q equal to ms del theta equal to 0.70 7037 into 400 into 150 equal to 4.22 into 10 to the power 4 joule. Now solution of B. Here volume expansion of coefficient gamma equal to 50.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 Kelvin inverse. We know gamma equal to 3 alpha or alpha equal to gamma by 3 equal to 50.1 into 10 to the power minus 6 by 3 equal to 16.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 Kelvin inverse. Increase in temperature del theta equal to 150 degrees Celsius equal to 150 Kelvin. Initial diameter d1 equal to 10 millimeter equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. We know alpha equal to d2 minus d1 by d1 into theta 2 minus theta 1. Diameter is a type of length. Or d2 minus d1 equal to alpha into d1 into theta 2 minus theta 1, or d2 equal to d1 plus alpha d1 into theta 2 minus theta 1 equal to d1 into 1 plus alpha into theta 2 minus theta 1 equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1 plus 16.7 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 150 equal to 10.025 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter equal to 10.025 millimeter. As the ring's diameter is 10.06 millimeter and wire's diameter is 10.025 millimeter. So the wire can penetrate the ring.